When all of a sudden I came upon a man lying on a bed of dried leaves across my path.
অহো কি দুঃসহ স্পর্ধা, অহো কি দুঃসহ স্পর্ধা, অর্জুনে যে করে অশ্রদ্ধা, সে কোনখানে পাবে তার আশ্রয়। অহো কি অদ্ভুত কৌতুক।
With fear and wonder, I asked him, "Who are you?" "I am Arjuna," he said, "of the great Kuru clan." I stood petrified like a statue and forgot to do him obeisance. Was this indeed Arjuna, the one great idol of my dreams? Arjuna!